Okay, try this again. This is the second time I'm doing this video. So as you can see, the rain has pretty much stopped at this point. It was 100 times worse than this a second ago. But you can see all of that coming down the alley. I mean, at this point, it's barely a drizzle. And you can see all the water run off. And they're saying this is normal, that this is how it's supposed to be. Every time there's even the slightest rain, this is what happens. I don't understand how they can say that our houses are going to be okay, that the foundations of our houses aren't going to be eroded from this. Luckily, it slowed down. You can see all the water accumulating on the foundation of my home all around. Those were underwater not but 5 minutes ago. Completely underwater. You can see all the water coming out here. You can see that it's up there. Dude, mine's in my house. So you can see all the sand that's built up. It already went into my garage. You can see the water line on my garage door on the bottom there, about 2 inches up. That's all sand. My entire porch was covered with water if you look in the pictures. This is just unacceptable at this point, that the city says that this is normal.